Hello Year 3, this is me, Mr. Steve, and we are going to start our science class now. First, let's start with a quick recap on the things we learned so far. I sent you this earlier. You can also write this down in your exercise book to practice and read it with me. Ready, steady, go. We measure temperature with thermometers. On the scale of the thermometer, we read numbers. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Salty water freezes at a lower temperature. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. When we mix water with salt, salt dissolves. When salt dissolves, we get a solution. This solution is thicker than water. Magnets can attract or repel. They have a south and a north pole. Two south poles next to each other repel. A north and a south pole can attract each other. When we boil water, it evaporates, then it can condensate and rain falls. So these were some of the basics. Now you can work on page 64 in your book. When you completed the page, you can send it to me. So page 64, all the tasks. Okay? And now we are going to move on. I would like to show you some pictures and I need your help. There's an odd one out. So which is the one which shouldn't be here with the others? Let's see. Can you see it? It's a squirrel eating something. Hairy animal, mammal. Yeah, we learned that. Next one. It's a snail. What about the next one? It's a horse. And look at the next one. Oh, it's me. It's not an animal. It's a human. We are humans. If you look at your book, please check page 68 now. So you can look at the pictures here, the squirrel, the snail, and the little child, the human, and a horse. And we need to circle one of these images. Let's open it. So which of these is the odd one out? This time it's the human. So please circle that. Now, how are we different from animals? Can animals laugh? Ha 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 ha. No. Do they think a lot about life and they learn in school? No. But they do similar things too. Do they eat? They do. Do animals move? Yes, like humans do. And do animals and humans breathe? Take a deep breath and exhale. Yes, we do breathe. Okay, so there are certain things we do and we both sleep. So these are the common things. Let's read about them. Please use a pencil and underline the activities we do and which are mentioned in the text. Ready, steady, go. You are a human. Humans are living things. All living things grow, change, reproduce, and die. You have a body that grows. To grow means to get bigger. You change as you grow. You grow when your body gets bigger. Your body does many other things. You eat and breathe. You also move and sleep. Eating right and getting enough exercise and rest will help you grow. So what are the things which we do on a daily basis? I think we eat, so I can circle that. We also breathe. We also move and sleep. But look, beyond these, there's something else. Children can grow, and do we change? I think we do. When we are very young, we look different. So this is a kind of thing we do as well. And without reproduction, there are no new babies, plus all humans and animals die one day. So I just underlined those two as well. You can practice reading the text, of course, again and again, or you can just rewind the video footage and then you can just do it again. Okay, now that we know this, we can check this activity. I can see here some people doing different things. But which one is eating? Which one is breathing, growing, moving, and sleeping? So can you help me now? First one. This girl is eating an apple. Yeah? The next guy is cycling there, so that is moving. I will write here, move. Probably the boy is checking his height because he was growing quite a lot over the next couple of months or a year. Then I will write here, grow. You can do the same with me. Okay? What about the next one? This girl is breathing in winter when you can see water vapor going out of your mouth or nose, so I will write breathe here. And finally, we all sleep. Your writing must be much nicer than mine because it's so hard to write with this pen here on this electric LED board. Okay, now we know certain actions we do in our lives. Then we can move on. Now we need to use those words and actions we had in the previous task to fill the gaps here. So let's see. You at night. So what do we do at night? Yes, you're right, we sleep. So you sleep at night. You, what do you do when you are hungry? You need to eat a sandwich or something, then you eat. Okay, and what do you need to do to get air? You inhale, you exhale, breathe in the air and breathe out. So you breathe the air. And what else do we do all the time? Do we move all the time? Certain parts of our body, maybe, but we definitely change all the time, yeah? But you can just write there some other options as well. There can be plenty of good solutions. And now comes an exciting part. If you are good at drawing, it would be nice if you could draw here your own face, a portrait of yourself. And here, you as a baby. But if you are not so good at drawing and you can print out some images, you can just stick there a photo like me. Look, this is me as a baby. It is really me. And the other one, this is me now, so I can just place it there. So please do the same. You can stop the video footage and you can do it very quickly. After that, I would like you to revise and repeat the words. Some of these words are really well known, so it's not that hard. Page 69. Look at the words there. Eat, ate, eszik, evett. Enough, elég. Since, valami óta. Rest, pihen. Wear, wore, visel, viselt. Weigh, weighed. Valamennyi súlya van, volt. Because we are all different. And we were different when we were babies. I think we need to concentrate on some facts now concerning these. So, look at this. Complete the chart with your own drawings. Okay, I'm not so good at drawing now because with this pen it's not that simple. So I'm going to just write things there, but you can draw. Okay? So, food I ate and the food I eat. Definitely, when I was a baby, I had breast milk, so milk was important for me. But now, normal food, like I can eat fried chicken. So I will just write here chicken. You can write other things, but please also draw some of them. Clothes I wore and I wear. So when I was very young, probably I was wearing these baby suits, you know, these tiny little things with no leg parts really. So the little baby can just put the legs out here, something like that. So these baby suits are popular. But now I wear a tie, a shirt, my jacket. So I will write here tie, jacket. Toys I played with and play with now. So as a baby, probably I had a rattle, you know, you need this in your hand. I will show you one. You can just shake it when you are a baby. And so the name is rattle. But these days, I play quite a lot with my students. You know what? Kahoot. I will write that down. Okay, then. This is the time when you need to make interviews with your dad and your mom, because we need some really important personal data about you. I am going to use my personal data here now, so we can just, we can't write the same thing, you know, because now, I will write here, I was born on the 4th of November, so I will write that here. You can write that, of course, your own birth date, okay? Just the day and the month. I was 50 centimeters long. 50. Probably you were a bit shorter or a bit longer. I can say longer in that case when you are a baby. And I know exactly where that I weigh 3.6 kilograms. You know, that's not that small, not that big baby probably. I was like an average baby. And now I am much older. Now I'm 45 years old and I'm 178 centimeters tall. So there's a bit of a difference, as you can see. And I weigh around 72 kilos. So let's see the difference. How much I have grown. 178 minus 50. Please do the same. So this comes here and you need to use this minus symbol there, like me. 178 minus 50. And what you get, you write here. And kilos, so again, I can use this number, 72 minus this one, and I could write it here. You can do the same at home, so please write the information down. Homework stuff is completing, all this is really important, and I would like you to write humans in your exercise book and write down the short text. If you want to decorate your little text, you can just draw a little stick man there to symbolize humans when you finish. Thank you very much. Keep up good work. Bye bye.